This is a beautiful program to learn Morse code. Archer. E, insect. M. Mustache to double dash. Okay. Double dash. E. One. And T. M. Double dash. E. One. Double dash. 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 Double dash. One I. This is new. Oh, SOS, yes. 1, 2, 3. Dash. Okay. Archer. Double dash. S was 3. 1. M double dash. Yes. Double point. 3 points. And 3 points. Double dash. And 1 point. This is new. Okay, tell me. Triple dash. On SOS. Oh, can I correct? No. On 1 dash. Oh. What was O again? I don't know. Oh yes. Yes. And triple. Oh. Fault. One thing is learning the letters. The other thing is fault too. Yes. And the other thing is understanding them. That will be much more difficult. Much more difficult. That's a new one. 4 dots. Okay. 3 dash. 4 dots. Yes, I have it. 3 dots. 4 dots. 3 dash. 1 dash.